Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the NordLynx protocol from NordVPN. NordLynx is a protocol developed by NordVPN based on the WireGuard protocol and optimized for speed and security. So why develop a new protocol when there are already plenty of other protocols? Most VPNs are based on the OpenVPN protocol. This protocol establishes a connection between the user and the server and encrypts the data circulating between the two entities. OpenVPN is a proven protocol. It is rather stable and above all secure. The problem is that this protocol contains hundreds of lines of code, making it quite slow. This is where WireGuard, a new protocol, comes into play. The problem with WireGuard is that it is faster, but also less secure than OpenVPN. This is why NordVPN decided to create NordLynx, a protocol based on WireGuard. NordLynx is therefore naturally fast, but it is also more secure than WireGuard. NordLynx was indeed developed by NordVPN to improve confidentiality. NordVPN presents NordLynx as a technology built around the WireGuard protocol, allowing you to enjoy the speed benefits of WireGuard, but without compromising your privacy. So now you know why NordVPN developed this protocol, combining speed and security. Note that NordLynx is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. So how do you activate the NordLynx protocol? Simply click on the settings button here, then click on Auto Connect. In the VPN protocol menu, you can see three options: OpenVPN UDP, OpenVPN TCP, and NordLynx. I select NordLynx. That's it, NordLynx is now enabled. Let's connect to a server in the US, for example. And as you can see, it's very fast, faster than with the OpenVPN protocol. Let's try with another server in the UK. I disconnect. I click here. Here as well, it's very fast. Let's check if my IP address has changed. This is the IP address I had before connecting. As you can see, it locates me in Nice, France. I refresh the page. The IP address has changed. It now locates me in London. I can now browse and download anonymously. Let's do a speed test. Here are the results of a speed test performed before I connected to the VPN server. Let's start a new one using the same server, of course. I click here. Here are the results. We went from 402 to 352 in download and from 397 to 371 in upload. As you can see, the speed loss is minimal. The ping went up, but that's normal. We went from 5 to 49, a respectable ping. So with this protocol, you can browse, download, stream, or whatnot without any problem. The difference with a connection without a VPN is minimal. Note that you can use this protocol to access content that other protocols cannot unblock. NordLynx indeed uses a different technology than OpenVPN, for example. It is therefore possible that NordLynx can unblock a platform that OpenVPN cannot unblock. As explained before, WireGuard is a fast protocol, but with some security issues. NordLynx, on the other hand, circumvents the shortcomings of WireGuard by combining it with NordVPN's own state-of-the-art security to obtain the best of both solutions. The result? A protocol allowing a fast connection and making browsing and downloading anonymous. As I've just explained, this protocol can also be a plus for accessing certain platforms. If you want to deactivate it, simply go back to the settings and select another protocol. That's it. If you don't have NordVPN yet, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click on the link located in the description under this video to take advantage of a special offer, 70% off the 2-year plan. Note that NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact their customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition: make this request within 30 days after sign-up. Otherwise, it will be too late. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know more about the NordLynx protocol. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.